So, after eliminating half the people in the universe, just to have them brought back, I kinda lost interest in the whole villain thing.
I know Thanos is up to something. He wouldn't just give up on his mission.
But I still have bills to pay, so I took a job coaching.
All right, let's go, let's go, let's go, come on!
Aw, shoot.
You don't just go from purple to emo overnight.
The Avengers won't let it go. They just keep harassing me. All I did was try to erase the universe one time and suddenly I'm the bad guy. I know I'm supposed to be this tough guy, but part of me's a little scared at this point. At this point, it's starting to take a toll on my mental health. I really need to focus on this upcoming game. I've trained my team to win tonight's game. They're ready.
They're no match for Walden Grove.
I wish everything I touch would turn to
NLE, you heard me? Baby Mexico chopper, man, top shotter. Baby Mexico shotter. We finna talk guys, Why not?
Why this
Yeah. I am a menace. Keep me a ratchet like tennis. I'm with this like I'm Dennis. I started this I'm a business. Be hating, trying to blemish my image. Who want the smoke? 2 to 3 count with the scope. Extended clip long as a rope. We wipe his nose, just like he had him a cold. I knew the boy was a pull up with the gang. You know that we buying it. What is your set? What is you climbing? I am a beast. You cannot time it. Don't point a finger. This nigga dying. This nigga hate. This plot. Ooh, we got money. I'm running this water. You say you a killer. Little stop it. In the shootout, your gun was dropping. You really a fraud. You cannot stop on this yard, man. They scamming, they swiping them cards. I am so high that I'm talking to stars. I'm gone at them jiggers, I'm popping them bars.
Hey, get inside, baby! I work on you! 1, 2, Red Wolves, assemble!